action. In fact, I was the person always teach the punctuality to Toastmaster Hasim Mohammed. Today, he guided me to this club. I was actually 2 minutes late. So today he taught me that punctuality. I am visiting many clubs in UAE, Toastmasters Club. In fact, I attended those Toastmasters for the first meeting I attended those Toastmasters meeting. I remember it, I attended it 4 years back. That time onwards, I was watching this club silently. Among all the clubs in the UAE, and some other clubs I watched in other outside UAE also, the Dual Toastmasters Club has a unique identity. The unique identity I noted, the first one is that whenever the team of Dual Toastmasters go to other levels, maybe area level or division level, everybody go as a team together. That reflect the coordination, cooperation and collaboration among the team members, among the Toastmasters. Normally other clubs, what I saw is immediately after the induction, maybe 1 or 2 months they are together, just like a newly married couple. After that they are no more together, they work in isolation. But here in January also I saw teamwork, the spirit of teamwork. The second unique aspect I saw in the Toastmasters Club is that we respect our elders, the people who guide us. That's why in the agenda we have when the prize speaker's name is mentioned, the mentor's name also mentioned. That's another unique thing, because I didn't see this particular guest at any other club. And third thing I remember I noted about this Dual Toastmasters Club is the unique identities. It always encourages and supports the people who comes, the new people, the guests. Because for example, when I came here as a guest 4 years back, the table topic master asked me to give a speech. Still, I remember that speech, not because of the quality of the content, not because of the confidence, not because of it was an excellent speech, but because the club awarded me the best table topic speaker award. I don't know how I became the best table speaker award, but that's kind of motivation, support, and the truly that Toastmaster spirit. I wanted to tell these 3 unique identity things because because if I postpone to last minute, maybe I see the red light, I will run away. So I wanted to tell these 3 points. Coming to the meeting, I got the agenda in time, well planned. If you go to the agenda, please refer that agenda, everything is well written. And 2, 3 points I noted, the various improvement, the best practices I saw in other clubs. For example, the timings. For example, when green light is come, when the amber will come, when the red will come. If it is mentioned, that will come along with the Toastmasters contest time. So also we can manage the time properly, because today we are 10 minutes late and we have to skip one session, and we can avoid such situations. Second thing I noted in the agenda, what we could improve is that the name of the people is just mentioned. I am calling Hasim or Yasir. It should have been the full name. For example, today we have Hasim Mohammed. Maybe tomorrow one Hasim Chakravarti will join here. So we will confuse which Hasim, which Hasim. So it's better to keep the full name. Also, through lot of effort, our Toastmasters achieved a lot of recognition, CC, CL, DTM. That also better to mention in that. Because here we can see a lot of guests, they will ask what is DTM. We can proudly say, I suppose Toastmaster Anubhav is DTM. You can proudly say it's a PhD in public speaking, right? Like that. So it's an education initiative if you put the resignation properly and full name. These are the things I want to tell you on the agenda. And regarding the meetings, I straight away come to the meeting now. Although I was not present, I got the feedback on the subject terms. Subject terms Vinod Jose welcomed the audience and he started the meeting on 7/17 to exactly, okay, 2 minutes, maybe it's okay. He mentioned the mission of the club and he mentioned the taboo topic, well setting. He started in a very high energetic mode. That tone kept by our acting president, Toastmaster Karthik. I think his name is Karthikeyan Palani. That also you mentioned. This Karthik is mentioned. I got his name from his email. So Karthik had a wonderful start. He talked about the Burj Khalifa firecracks and all. That wonderful message, the managing situations, all this, and he wished newer messages. And he proudly introduced all the guests, because today we have many guests here. That is one of the very healthy side of any club. Having more guests, they are ready to participate, the energy, everything is, your message is very good. Then we had our very energetic Toastmaster Dilip taking over as the Toastmasters today. The opportunity, well, he managed the meeting very well, and each role he introduced him. And it was an education session for the guests, because regarding project speeches, table topic session, evaluation, he talked a little bit. That gives a lot of education value. What could I improve? Yeah, of course in Toastmasters we have a lot of things to improve. One thing I already told, the time management. Second thing, maybe he could have had a little more energy to his presentation, because most of the time he was a little more serious there. Maybe because of the time he's overrunning and all. But keep the present mood all the time and may boost the confidence, boost the energy at the meeting. Then we had a wonderful day, elect and round robin. This is a round robin also one of the another unique thing I saw here. Everybody, 3 and 6 people, 12 people got the opportunity to tell a 30-second story. That's amazing. And we had good project speeches. And project speeches have been well evaluated by the evaluators. I don't want to mention anything on the project speeches. Only one thing I want to mention for overall improvement of the club quality, that each project speeches to please approach like you are going for a contest. Prepare speech like that. And present the speech like in a contest mode. I know all the 3 speakers are outstanding speakers, they have high potential, but today's speeches are not that contest winning style speeches. So make a deliberate attempt to bring such quality speeches so that it is an opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. If you miss the opportunity, that we are going to miss all the time, forever. So make use of this opportunity. Approach the prize speeches in a contest manner only, and give your best performance. That's what I want to request to all the speakers. And we had another unique event. Our Madam Toastmaster Sherlyn had conducted a wonderful table topic session. Table topic is one of the very unique event in Toastmasters, impromptu speaking. And 2 very spellbound event unique event I wanted to about this table topic session is that the way that Toastmaster Nelson approached the demo topic, that even if he didn't get any topic, just he tried to analyze, understand how the topic is. That's a learning point for me. And second unique aspect I learned today is Toastmaster Hasim Mohammed. He was very honest and he openly told that he already knew the topic. Also, he don't want to admit that he is honest. He told that I didn't like that. I like that kind of open approach. Really appreciate Hasim Mohammed, your openness and your success as a public speaker. Then we had an evaluation session. Evaluation session is one of the guiding things. We help the people to improve the speech better. Everybody had excellent evaluation. And the first evaluator, Toastmaster Navendra Rai. I thought maybe could have focused more on the objective of the speech. And it's full of analytic and maybe could have given some techniques to how the speech could have improved like that. And Hasim Mohammed focused very well. It is exactly as per the contest style format. Toastmaster knows that analysis very well. And He's a speaker giving his 36 project. I don't want to mention his how brilliant his analytic. Only one thing I wanted to add is because I want to add something. Please, maybe you can avoid using the but. After telling all the positives, after that you are adding one but. It will neutralize whatever you told us earlier. Better avoid such kind of usage. Then we had excellent grammarian session, word master report. Overall, excellent meeting, powerful meeting with a lot of energy, enthusiasm. I like this meeting. As I told us, Jones Toastmasters Club has unique identity. Keep up that identity all the time. Over to Toastmasters.